the most overlooked income stream that you can make. We will give all of this for free. This month, I generate 5-figure monthly revenue from GoHighLevel, and it's got nothing to do with SaaS or SMMA. These particular income streams have been overlooked by a marketing agency like yourself. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how our agency was able to generate a semi-passive income stream from GoHighLevel affiliate program. And if you're new here, guys, GoHighLevel have an amazing affiliate program where you can earn a 40% recurring revenue by just referring GoHighLevel to someone that you already know. On top of that, it's also provide a 5% on a second tier, meaning that that person that you referred, if they end up referring someone else, you get 5%. So to access GoHighLevel affiliate program, simply you have to switch to the agency view and go to affiliate portal and then register your name and your company name to get your own referral link. And after that, guys, it's just how you share that link to generate signed up and generate active user, so you can get a 40% recurring commission. So I just want to show you how our agency actually does it and the strategy all behind it. So we have a simple content funnel here, guys. It's nothing fancy. We make short form and long form content, as you can see here, and a lot of our traffic come from short form content, as you imagine, because short form content is easier to get view and going viral. With short form content, we normally have 3 call to action. Number 1 is go check out our long form, which is our YouTube channel, and number 2 is actually comment a number or a word, so we actually can engage on that post, and then we'll drive them to our opt-in page. And then number 3, we just tell them to check the link in the bio, which then again drive to the opt-in page, right? And then we have our long form funnel, which then again drive traffic straight to the opt-in page, which advertising the free course, just like the video that you're watching right now. And with our long form, we normally have a free course as an offer that directly push people to our opt-in funnel. So as you can see here, our opt-in funnel have a opt-in rate of 45%, which is above industry standard. The strategy is very plain and simple. It's just a matter of having the right content team in place and really put in the work, take the time out and actually record and post value to your community. So if you guys want me to make an in-depth video about our content strategy, make sure that you leave the comment below, say content, then I'll consider making that as an in-depth video walkthrough. Getting view and getting sign up is not the end goal here. You want to get an active user, meaning people are starting to use Highlevel after the 30-day or 14-day free trial, and then that's where you actually get the 40% recurring commission. Our strategy is strong when it comes to retention, because I believe we have the best affiliate offer out there. Coming back to the computer screen here, guys, is that when someone signs up for the 30-day free trial, we normally opt them into a welcome email, which gives them access to a few links and a few welcome message, and then they get added to a drip nurture email sequence, meaning that they get day 1 email, day 2 email, and day 3 email onto what to do next. And then we push them to a one-on-one setup call with our tech team. We find that the retention and the probability of someone going past the 30-day trial is increased by a lot if they have that human contact, that hands-on experience. So we're offering that free to our GoHighLevel affiliate. And after that, we'll push them to community, which is our Facebook group, but that could be school or Discord code when it comes to your community. Alongside with all of that, people are getting access to a free SaaS course that we have that show them how to set up everything. On top of that, showing them how to get their first client within that 30 days to make sure that they cover that $497 bill. And on top of that, inside our course, we actually give them a lot of our template, SOP, and script when it comes to prospecting, hiring VAs, and all that stuff. And that's also include other bonus such as our SaaS snapshot, which include funnel template, workflow template, and all that email sequence. So lastly, guys, on top of everything that you saw that we give to our newly GoHighLevel affiliate sign up, we also push them to our weekly call where they get a hands-on support with myself and some of our coach and support team, where we answer any real-time question and really just help people in a group as a community. And also they find it really fun and helpful because they get to network with other people that going through the same journey. That's it, guys. As you can see, our affiliate strategy is quite plain and simple. The first thing is to have a content funnel and a content team that help you get your content, your brand, and your voice out there to make sure that people know who you are and know what your offer is. And the second thing is that when people sign up, you want to be making sure that they get through past that 30-day free trial and become an active user, and then you can get access to that 40% recurring commission. So this leads me to why I'm making this video today, guys. If you want to set up this strategy, this community in place, it's going to take a lot of work. You got to build your own community, you're going to build your own course, your own snapshot, and all that stuff. So I want to make you a crazy offer here. This snapshot and this system is not up for sale. No one can pay me any amount of money to actually pass this on to them. But we will give all of this for free for our GoHighLevel affiliate. The reason is pretty plain and simple here, guys. We will get 5% from any affiliate that you refer under your wing. Therefore, any affiliate that you refer underneath you, they can come in and use all of our resource, meaning they will get access to our course, they will get access to our weekly group call, they will get access to our community. If you're not our affiliate, you still can implement the strategy. It just takes you longer because you have to build a lot of things. But if you are our affiliate, make sure that you reach out and ask me access to the system. I will actually personally onboard you myself and implement the system into your business so you can start generate affiliate income from GoHighLevel, which is one of the most overlooked income stream that you can make from GoHighLevel itself. And just to clarify, if you are already a existing GoHighLevel user that is on a 97 or 297 plan, you can just use our existing user link and then upgrade with that link so that you also have access to the system as well. So it's not too late for you guys. Again, guys, this system is not for sale. We're not selling this as a snapshot. It's only exclusive to our GoHighLevel affiliate. Just to recap, you will get access to our course with all of my content showing people how to set up GoHighLevel that you can share to your affiliate. Number two, you have access to our community, so your GoHighLevel affiliate can just join our community and network off our existing 5,000 member community. Number three, you have access to our SaaS snapshot, so you don't have to pay any GoHighLevel expert to build your own snapshot. You can just use our snapshot and we have a setup SOP ready to go. And number four, your GoHighLevel affiliate, we have access to our group coaching call. Honestly, I believe this is the best way for you to leverage our resource to grow your affiliate business. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure that you reach out and I will personally onboard you and install the system into your business, and then we can grow your affiliate business together. Thanks, guys. This is Vico Khang, your GoHighLevel Ninja. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.